What's happening in Thailand this May 2026? From massive festivals to world-class concerts, you're about to find out.
Welcome to What's On in Thailand, the show that keeps you updated on what's happening and where right here in Thailand.
I'm Ian.
And I am Nan. Nan, let's get into it.
May is packed with cultural and traditional events across Thailand.
We kick things off with Labor Day on the 1st of May, followed by Coronation Day on the 4th of May, celebrating King Rama X.
Then at the end of the month we got Visakha Bucha Day on May the 31st, Thailand's most important Buddhist holiday. Expect temple visits and candlelight processions across the country.
Up north in Chiang Mai, the Inthakin City Pillar Festival runs from 22nd to 28th of May at J.I.D Temple. It's all about honoring the city's guardian spirit with flowers, offerings, and prayers for prosperity.
In Bangkok, the royal Ploughing ceremony takes place on May the 13th at Sanam Luang, an ancient ritual that marks the start of the rice growing season and even predicts this year's harvest.
And in the northeast, the Bun-Bang-Fai Rocket Festival in Yaowarat from 8th to 10th of May. Expect giant homemade rockets, loud celebrations, and a serious fun atmosphere.
One of the biggest highlights this month is Bangkok Pride.
Bangkok Pride Festival happening from 28th of May to 1st of June.
The main event is Pride Parade on May the 31st, turning Silom Road into a huge celebration of colour, music and community.
This year, theme is Touch the World with Pride, focusing on unity, inclusivity and self-expression.
May is also absolutely stacked with live music.
Here are some of the biggest shows.
Electronic pioneers Kraftwerk perform in Bangkok on May the 10th.
Also on May 10th, rising global hip-hop artist Hanuman Kai takes the stage.
Reggae fans can catch Julian Marley and The Uprising, bringing roots and culture to Thailand.
Hip-hop powerhouse J.I.D performs on 26th of May at Lido Connect. Expect high energy and fast-selling tickets.
A jazz pop star Laufey performs at Impact Arena on May the 31st.
Electronics music fans Boris Brejcha plays a rooftop set on the 9th of May.
J-pop icon Mika Nakashima also performs on 9th of May at Thunderdome.
Plus, Hawthorne Heights of Monsters and Men and more live acts throughout the month.
So yeah, a little something for everyone.
If you are into live performances,
comedian Sunil Grover brings his show to Bangkok on May the 8th.
Opera Siam presents Madonna at the Thailand Cultural Center.
And for something ongoing, check out Calypso Cabaret and Golden Dome Cabaret, both iconic Bangkok experiences.
For sports fans, the Thailand Open Badminton Tournament runs from 12th to 17th of May in Bangkok.
Down south, the Samui Yacht Regatta takes place from the 23rd of May to the 30th at Chiang Beach.
And the Samui Neon Run rides off the island on 30th of May.
Art lovers can explore exhibitions at Bangkok Art and Culture Centre this month,
including Ethereal of Eros and the 15th Chiang Art Exhibition, both running through mid of May.
Weather-wise, May is hot, humid and marks the start of the rainy season.
But it also means fewer tourists and better deals on hotels and travel.
That's it for May in Thailand.
Don't forget to like, follow and subscribe to stay updated.
Thanks for watching What's On in Thailand. See you next month.